Hello all. Today in chapter 3 operation on whole numbers, I will present my 7th video. In this I will explain you simplification. The topic is simplification. What is simplification? Do you know? Simplification. Till now we have learned addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, means operation on large numbers. But sometimes we find that addition, subtraction, multiplication, division all are given together in a question. So how do we solve? It's not like that. If question is 3 plus 6 divided by 2, so first we will add this and then divide. It's not like that. We cannot solve it like this. What we have to do first? We have to do this division first. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. So 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. So answer is actually 6. Not 9 divided by 2 then 4.5. It's not the answer. So we have to follow some rules, and according to that rule, what we have to do, that I am explaining here. Whenever any question is there in which addition, subtraction, bracket, of all these things are given, we follow one rule that is called BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule, where B stands for bracket. Brackets are of 3 types: small, middle and large bracket. Then O stands for of, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, and E stands for addition, and last S stands for subtraction. What does it mean? This stands for this and that. This is showing the order of simplification. What are the operations we will do first and then which operation we will do next. So in any simplification, if you find bracket is there or division is there, first you will do or you will solve bracket. Then any of type statement is there, you will solve of. Then you will do division. Then multiplication, M for multiplication, addition, then subtraction. Point is clear? Bracket, of, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction you will do. This is the order we will follow to solve questions which has many operations. So I am giving you few questions and let's solve the questions. So my question is, first exercise 3F, I am giving you the question. One question I am giving from exercise 3F. And the question is simplify. First question is simplify. Means solve and give the exact answer. Now G number I am doing. 7 into 50 plus 16 divided by 8 minus 120. The question is 7 into 50 plus 16 divided by 8 minus 120. Now we have to solve this question. So we cannot do like first multiplication is there, so we will multiply, then addition is there, then we will add. Suppose I am doing according to simple rule, 7 5s are 35, so 350 plus 16, then we will add this, then we will divide. The process is wrong. The process is wrong. Finally whatever we will get, that will not be the exact answer. So we have to remember that we will follow the order given in the BODMAS rule. And the order is bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So is there any bracket in this question? No. Is there any off type statement? No. So directly we will start with DMAS. D, from D we will start. O and B are not there, so we will start from D. D is division. So we will do division. Wherever we will find division in this equation or in this question, we will solve. But don't forget to write other numbers also with their operation. So we are seeing that here only division is there. So we will solve this first. Rest we will write as it is. So 7 into 50 plus 16 divided by 8. So 16 divided by 8 we have to solve. So 16 divided by 8 is 8 2 ja 16. So this 2 we have solved. Next what is left? Minus 120. So we will write minus 120. So we have solved this. Now we have multiplication, addition and subtraction. According to rule, what we have to do first? Division we have done, so we have to do multiplication. So next step we will do multiplication. 7 5s are 35 and 0. So we know the rule. If any number carries 0, we will put 0 at the end and digits only we will multiply. Next we have rest we will write as it is. In short we can do, but it is your beginning, so you do step by step. So it is 120. Next addition, then subtraction. So addition is simply directly coming. So we will do addition 352 minus 120. Only subtraction is left, so we will do. So 2 minus 0, or you can do in rough also. Here I am doing for you. 2 minus 0, 2. Now 5 minus 2, 3. 3 minus 1, 2. So answer is 230. Very simple. One more question with off and bracket I am giving you, and we have to solve now. This is second question, simplify using BODMAS rule. G number question again I am doing. In this question all the brackets are there. So this bracket is this bracket is called big bracket. This is called middle bracket and this is called small bracket. So we first solve whenever bracket is there. BODMAS rule has told also that first we have to solve bracket, so we will solve bracket. But in bracket also we have to take care that we have to solve first small bracket. So rest we will write same and we will solve small bracket. So what is there in small bracket? 3 into 10, that is 30. And this bracket is closed. When this bracket is closed, we have only two brackets. This big bracket and middle bracket. So, and this division is there. This also we will write division. Again, we will not see this division. We will see only the bracket. So we have now this bracket. We will solve this also. 75 into 25 plus 30 is 55. But one more thing is there. When we are solving the bracket, the brackets also becomes, suppose I have removed here this small bracket. So this bracket will be smaller, means middle bracket, small bracket, and the big bracket will be converted into middle bracket. Similarly here, now we have solved this big bracket. So this small bracket, I'm sorry. So this small bracket will be now solved. So we have got only here small bracket. So this also we have to take care of. Then divided by 3. Now this multiplication. 75 into 55. 5 5 ja 25, 2 in hand. 5 7 ja 35, 36, 37. Again we will put 0 since it is 50. So 0 we have put. Now again 5 we have multiplied, 375 we have got. So again here 375. 5, 12, 11, 4. 4, 1, 2, 5 is the, sorry, in the bracket we have got and divided by 3. Now we will have to divide this. Three, 4, 1, 2, 5 I am dividing. So 3 ones are 3, 1 came and 1 we will bring down. So 3 3s are 9, 10, 11, 22, 3 7s are 21, 15, 3 5s are 15. So answer is 1375. So this way we solve the question using BODMAS rule. Which rule we are using? BODMAS rule. Thank you.